You've probably seen it in the store on a back bar at one of your favourite bars, but have you ever wondered, what is Amaro Montenegro? A very popular Amaro in a lot of bars all over the world is called Amaro Montenegro. It's also known as the liqueur of virtues. It was created in 1885 when a famous herbalist and distiller by the name of Stanislao Cobianchi fled from his native town of Bologna in Italy to not become a priest. Cobianchi travelled from continent to continent. He was sourcing roots, seeds, flowers, all different types of herbs and spices to create his wonderful liqueur. And he finally came up with a recipe of 40 different ingredients that has remained unchanged since 1885 and passed down from generation to generation, and it's always been a secret recipe. Originally called Elisiva Lunga Vita, it was eventually changed in 1896. The word Montenegro was used as a dedication to the beautiful Princess Elena of Montenegro. Princess Elena married the King of Italy, Victor Emmanuel III. All the ingredients go through 3 different forms of flavour extraction, which include boiling, distillation and maceration. Once all the flavours are extracted, a secret micro-distillation of 5 botanicals is also added. It is then brought down to 23% ABV with water and sugar. It also then has a little bit of caramel colouring added to it. The caramel colouring gives it that beautiful deep copper hue. So enough talking about it, let's give it a bit of a try. Oh, it's a bottle kill. As you can tell, it's very, very popular here at the 18th Amendment Bar. All right, yeah, look at that colour. On the nose, I automatically get orange peel, kind of like a cola lolly sort of nose. Mandarin even. I even get a touch of fresh coriander. So when I taste it, it's sweet at first. It becomes a little bit bitter midway through. I'm getting orange, a little bit of bitterness, coriander, cloves, light cherry, a little bit of citrus there. And from what I can tell, that bitterness is coming from wormwood, which is also used in absinthe and vermouth. On the finish, I'm getting a light, bittersweet note, a little bit of that citrusy flavour. Definitely have the clove coming through. It's beautiful. It's really, really nice. For those of you that are starting to drink Amaros, it's very easy. It's not overly bitter like some of the others, for example, like Fernet Branca or China. I definitely wholeheartedly suggest that you give it a try. How do I drink it? I like to drink it on its own. It's beautiful over ice or even crushed ice in a tall glass with an orange wedge. It goes really well in cocktails. I'm going to leave the link at the end for the double backflip that I did using the Amaro Montenegro. The Monty Sour is great as well. There are many cocktails that you can use this with. It also goes really well with tonic, Monty and tonic. Guys, please give it a try, like, subscribe. If there are some other liqueurs or spirits that you would like me to review and do a video of, let us know. Stay safe and we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.